Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another video. My name is Rahul VP. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Dashfrugal, the modern user onboarding platform for SaaS creators. In this video, I'm going to speak about how to get started with Dashfrugal. Today's video is something different. Today, I'm here to give you some clarity on what we do at Dashfrugal and what we do with Dashfrugal for our users, and to answer 5 frequently asked questions our prospects may have. So first one is, so why we build Dashfrugal? The story begins on 2019 December, where we are running a first SaaS product, which is a conversational AI-based product built for enterprises. It's a fully tech-oriented product. The issue begins when we release a lot of features, the most of the features went unnoticed because we are unable to introduce it very well. Also, we haven't give a huge importance to deliver a product demonstration to each users. As a small team, we are unable to manage each and every demo request that we receive, even though we manage it somehow, as a product demands a lot of support or training during the onboarding process, as it's too much features. At the time, we even haven't thought about in-app methods like user onboarding tools to promote the self-user onboarding activities. Most of the SaaS companies, from startups to enterprises, is facing the same difficulties. When it comes to managing a lot of demo requests, managing a one-to-one, product demo request, or managing a one-to-one product demo. So it's demands a lot of effort. It need to spend a lot of money, a lot of effort, a lot of time to manage each and every single one-to-one product demonstrations. The second, to whom it built for. Basically, we have clear use cases that a product is built for SaaS providers and also software suppliers. SaaS providers, someone who create a SaaS product and want delivering it on either it's in a cloud implementation or it might be an on-premise installation. So it require an in-app integration to onboard. If they want an in-app integration to onboard their software users, Dashfrugal is built for them. Why you should use it? Let's say, first of all, if you are looking for a solution that can guide your first-time software users throughout their product life cycle. If you already tried methods like guided product tour, knowledge base, sales calls, or multi-one product demonstration, but still if you are unable to manage a product demonstration, I would say the product demonstration, Dashfrugal for yours. How to use it? Setting up your user onboarding with Dashfrugal, it's a single time. So first you need to do is you need to create a step-by-step instruction that we can use it for the contextual guidance. That I'll explain what is the contextual guidance thereafter. So first you need to make an idea how the user need to move ahead on your application, on your software from scratch to until the final value. So once you've done this and integrated to your once you've done everything and set up your Dashfrugal account and integrated to your software account section, your users can use Dashfrugal tool to as a personal user onboarding assistant, and they can manage their user onboarding and product training activities with our platform. All you have to do is create an account with Dashfrugal, follow the whole instruction, because we already have installed Dashfrugal widget-based user onboarding tool on our application to help you take it into perspective that you're signing up with Dashfrugal. So we have our own personal assistant to manage your user onboarding activities within our application. So once everything is done, so basically it's an API-based integration to your application. And once you're done, so what you can do is thereafter you can create the visual guidance that create more effectiveness in the user onboarding. So once it's done, this all steps are done. This is available on your application, on your web applications to manage your user onboarding activities. Next is very important. What can you do with Dashfrugal? There are 4 or 5 features that you can manage your user onboarding activities within Dashfrugal. The first one is a guided product. It's not like a traditional guided product tool. Guided product tools are the traditional methods that provide a screen assistance, as a layer over your application and navigating a users from one button to other. Also, guided tour give a step-by-step walkthrough over an application that helps the user to adopt in each and every software features. So this is a first very important feature that we have. And comparing to any other existing tool, tip guided or product tour softwares, the major benefit when you're using Dashfrugal guided tour is, so it's ensure that the user is completing each and every step. We have a checklist that monitor that ensures that the user is completed that particular step. Second one is contextual guidance. So you maybe heard about contextual guidance, and definitely. And contextual guidance is a modern self-service method that helps the user to navigate within the application with step-by-step instruction. So, but in no longer you haven't seen a contextual guidance is being used in multiple in user onboarding software. It's generally being used in a help documents that showing that step 1 what the user need to do and the step 2 what the user need to execute. This is how it work in the contextual guidance work in the user onboarding earlier. But what we did is with Dashfrugal, so we combined this contextual guidance along with the guided product tool to increase the the user's efficiency rate. That increases the user efficiency rate, but they can read that context, they can go to manage that particular task, etc. And the third one is a real-time support. In-app support is a communication delivery to users within the application. So even though you have provided contextual guidance, you provided a guided product tool, but still there is a chance that a few of the users may require an assistant from someone from the customer success or a customer support team. So whenever they require, what they can do is they can click on an option that we have like get help. So it goes as a request to the customer success team member. So the session would be considered, turned into a live chat mode. So the user or the customer success team member can understand where the user is actually being trapped and where they require assistance. And quickly the CSM team can provide the provide that onboarding assistance. So whenever the main problem is happening to each and every user onboarding, when the user is stopping the user onboarding activities, is maybe they're trapped somewhere, they haven't had any such assistance available on the platform to proceed with that particular step, and that generally ends up with stopping that particular user onboarding session, they sign up. So that's regularly what's happening. But with us, with Dashfrugal, we have this facility called real-time support feature that ensures that your user is getting support whenever they need. Whenever they need, that's what I want to see. Not every time, but whenever they need, they can ask for the support. But fourth one is an in-app knowledge base. In-app knowledge base is a combination of videos, examples that is hosted on the YouTube, that you can also paste the link on the widget-based onboarding tool that include the images, that include the a lot of information that you can host on our widget. So whenever the user need it, they can use that, they can go through that document, they can complete their user onboarding activities using the contextual guidance as well. And the fourth one is a user onboarding analysis tool. A user onboarding analysis is every time that when it helps is if a user is stuck somewhere, and a tool helps the customer success team member to understand an account base when this user or where this user is actually being stuck, and what is the percentage of onboarding process this account holder is completed, etc. So using this tool, so it gives an insight to the customer success team member to help them to either in a multiple way via email to make the the steps to take them to the next steps. So how it differs? So we actually a centralized platform that manage all these activities like contextual guidance, in-app support, guided product tool in a single platform, and they also gives a complete freedom for the SaaS creators to define their steps on depending upon their software use cases. So this is that's end to the session, and also I just want to give you a quick giveaway, like get 50% off with Dashfrugal, your annual subscription plan or monthly subscription plan. use the coupon code user50. For any clarification, visit our website www.dashfrugal.com. Thank you so much.